big news for y'all. So Riley's Rebuilds, we started at the bottom, and with your guys' support, we have quickly grown over the last 2 years. And I'd say we have officially made it. We, as in Riley's Rebuilds, are going to be showing a car at AMRO on the 2024 SEMA car show, which is totally insane and a dream come true. So what you guys are going to be starting to see is our restoration projects on this really special and rare car that we are bringing to the show. It is going to be awesome, and you guys definitely need to come out and see it. It's the first revealing for us, so it needs to be an amazing turnout. It's also a really sick car. So the restorations, Dad's helping right now. Say hi.
Hi, I'm paying attention.
Watching the little ones. The little ones are going to always be learning how to do this with us. That's what we're all about. As well as that, they're also going to be rebuilding carburetors, so that's not ending. So keep sending in your carburetors, keep purchasing. It's helping us all out a little bit. What I'm doing right now is I'm reading the glass, so I'm decoding it. So on this car, they had etched in numbers and letters, and over here it says Easy Eye, and we have a weird green tint to it. What that's about is in the 50s they had an anti-UV light, easier on the eyes option for cars, and it was this green tint to the windows. So that's what our car has. What's also really, really cool is they were producing these cars in the 56, but it's a 57. So there's a really little etched 7 on the side of it. So we know it's our 57. So really exciting. We can't wait to show you guys the car, show you a little bit more of the restoration side. So really stay tuned to follow along with us.